Welcome back once again. Today we will convert a brand new printer to a DTF, a complete DIY guide, a complete video, right from unboxing the printer and printing a DTF sheet on it. So these many things you will require. You will require a custom ink tank. You will need PEPW bypass module for this printer. You will need software dongle and you will need a resetter. So let's not waste the time. Let's unbox a new printer right from the beginning. How to fix this P module, how to use DTF software, how to reset, wasting pad. So everything. This is going to be a complete DIY video. Anybody can make these printers. So especially this is for our customers, our clients from abroad who and they wish to buy PPW module and convert this printer to DTF. So let's not waste time. Before I start converting the printer, please make sure don't skip any part. Go through the complete video. Every step is very important. So don't miss out anything. So let's begin. This video is not gonna be live because it will take time. So I'll be covering all major aspects of the conversion here. So let's begin. Quick overview. This is a new printer. You'll have to remove all these tapes. So get it done. Remove all tapes first. Screws. You don't have to remove everything. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to remove these screw first. Make sure you remove these screws too. Alright, you can see 1 and 2. After that, you have to remove screws from here. These 2 screws you have to remove, and these 2 screws. So I'll skip the unscrewing part. Okay. Okay, there is one more screw inside this. You can remove this and keep it away. We'll fix it afterwards. Okay. So you have to open this and you have to remove this also. Okay, do it very carefully. I might make few mistakes because I have to do it quickly. I have to finish the video before 15 minutes. So I'll be forwarding also. So now here comes the dangerous part, you can say. So now we have removed all the screws. Now if you want to remove this, it's very easy actually. There are some hooks inside. So what you have to do is, okay, apply it this way. Okay, apply it this way and hit it. Okay, I'll show you how is it done. Okay, it's easily removed. Make sure while doing this you're not breaking this sensor. Okay, same goes on this side. If you want to remove this, see, you have to apply a screwdriver here and you have to hit it. Okay, it's very easy. Now, before we do anything, we have to switch the printer on and we have to charge the inks. This is a standard procedure if you are using PEPW modules of from Creative. You have to do it this ways only. So what we'll do, we'll switch on the printer now and we will charge the inks. Without even filling the inks, you have to charge the inks. Make sure this lever is on this side. Switch it on. Just apply the power. Right. Switch the printer on. So in this step, we make sure that the new printer is working fine. There is no issue in the printer, and we have to now charge the printer. How to do it? I'll tell you. You also have to remove this tray. I'll keep it in mind. I'll show you how to remove it. Okay. The printer head is moving to the left. We have not added the wasting pad. So for charging, to charge the inks, you have to add the wasting pad also. Okay. Now it is showing us this symbol. Now you have to click this. Okay. Press and hold. Now the inks will be charged. We'll again come back once the charging is complete. It takes around 4-5 minutes. So you can see printer is doing something. It's trying to charge the inks. It's safe. You can charge the inks without having to fill the inks inside. So all right, once the ink charging is done, we will be modifying this printer. We will be removing this. We'll be adding PEPW module. So every single step I'll be guiding you. I'll be showing you everything, each and everything that is done. So if you are a reseller or if you sell DTF machines, then only you should do all these things. If you are an end user, please, I'll recommend, if you want to try, you can try, but I'll recommend not to convert this printer on your own. Better get it done from your supplier, or you can get it from us. We ship globally. So let this ink charging complete. We'll start with the video again. All right, the ink charging is done now. How to know that? How do you understand that ink charging is done? The light will stop blinking and this single light will be there and it will be stable. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to uh, unlock the head. Okay, this is a print head. We have to unlock this head. So what I'll do, I'll remove the power cable and I'll plug it again. Okay, the printer will start automatically. Okay, we have just unplugged it and now the head is free. Now why is it required? We have to remove this piping system and we have to attach an external ink tank to it. So we have just unlocked the head. We will first, before breaking any part of the printer, before cutting the pipes and all, we have to do whatever additional modifications we are doing. So before doing this, we will first see how to apply PEPW module on it. Okay, so when we ship the PEPW module, we ship it with all required FFC cables. So this is a PEPW bypass module with IVFO inside. So okay, and the module is built, it's constructed in the shape that so that you can fix it here. Okay, we have this place, we can easily fix this module here. Now what I'll do, I'll make some arrangements so that everything will be visible. I'll have my focus light on this. All right, and we'll start applying this module first. Okay, hope everything is clear. Yes. Before we do that, we forgot to remove this. We will remove this now. Just see how is it done. It's very easy. You don't have to worry about it. You just have to press it with a screw, with a screwdriver. All right, simple. And we will not be using this part. Don't fix it again. Okay, you have to remove it from here. All right, you just applied it back again. Now we will work on replacing the bypassing the PE and PW. Okay, so let's begin. You have this module with you. These are two boards, and these many FFC cables are required. So I'll be forwarding this video. Open version of this video is shared with resellers. So if you are looking to convert the printer without the module, you can simply skip this part, fixing of a module and all. And if you are a reseller and you're buying these modules from us, you must have already received a video link how to fix this module. All right. So general user can simply skip the part, skip this part. Okay. First, what you have to do is remove all these cables very carefully, especially this cable. Switch on the module first. Okay. Take the head to the right and then plug the main power source. Okay. Printer started automatically. Now we are testing whether the module is functioning properly or not. Okay. You have to remove this. You have to take this out, otherwise it will give you paper sensor error. For those who have modified this capping, make sure you don't remove this, because this is very important. It senses the width. This sensor, this transparent circular sensor, you can see this senses this blue thing. So okay, we have pressed it. We will again test it. The module is working fine. And whenever we ship these modules, we ship these modules after testing, so you don't have to worry about it. We'll switch the printer on again. Technically we shouldn't be getting red light now, because we have taken the output tray out. Okay, all right. Okay, you can see we have no errors. So we have successfully bypassed PE and PW of this machine. Now we will start fixing this CISS. You can't call it CISS, it's just a ink tank, just an ink tank. We have to bypass it. We'll be taking this out now. Again we have to unlock the print head. I'm just switching it off. The head moves to the left. No, it came back to its normal position. Again, I'll have to restart the printer. Keep one hand on the power source. Okay. All right. Uh, Most of the people that have seen so many videos, they have replaced the capping and the head capping and the dampers also. So what you can do, you will see, you can see the printer. It looks like this. Okay. Once you change the capping of the machine, you have to apply these small dampers, or you can have XP600 bigger dampers. You can't close the cover. You can also fix this as per your choice. It's up to you. So we apply such kind of tubes first, such kind of pipes, and we fix it with these connectors. So you can also do this. All right. Now let's come back to the modification part. Now we will remove this and we will have an ink tank outside. Okay. Okay. Now we have applied PEPW module on it. Now we will remove the ink tank outside. We will not be using this ink tank. We will be straight away taking out these ink pipes. Okay. So let's start with it. All right. In between, we'll be requiring, or we'll be needing this soldering gun to make a hole on the body of the printer. So switch it on so that you can do it easily. You can straight away pull these pipes out. Okay, from here you can straight away pull these pipes. Okay, so this is a wasting pipe. You remove it and cut it from here. Okay, stretch it and cut it. So we will not be collecting wasting here, we will be taking it out. Okay, now apply connectors on this. Okay, you must be having these connectors. If you're not, you can ask us for this. We'll just apply connectors now and we'll again begin with the modification part. Okay, simply remove this and add these connectors. I've just changed the orientation so that it will be clearly visible. We have already applied these connectors. Now we have to connect a custom ink tank. So before we apply a custom ink tank, we have to make a hole on this printer body so that we can insert the pipes inside. We'll just insert this pipe inside the body first, and then we will connect the pipes. So let us do that. You can take a measurement like this. Okay, we are used to it, so we don't do it. Just to show you guys, you don't have to make a hole here and there. You can take a measurement from inside. Do this carefully because aesthetically it should look good because it's visible from outside. Okay. Okay, you have to remove all these unwanted part. You have to, you can do it with the cutter, and you have to clean it from inside also, so inside and outside. So from outside it will look good aesthetically, especially this. From inside you have to remove this unwanted part, otherwise you will not be able to fix this cover back again. Okay, this is other side of the body where we are going to fix the module. Okay, so you can see this power cable. We have to take this power cable out, and this, in this area we are going to be fixing our module, so we can remove this. So you melt it and remove this part also. Okay, here we have to make one more hole for to take out the PEPW power cable out. So I'm making one more hole here. So we have to take out the PEPW adapter power cable outside. Okay, get it cleaned. Okay, make sure you insert it straight inside. So the sequence should be straight. So make the pipelines first straight, and then connect all the connectors again. Okay, so do it carefully because it will change the sequence of the color. You can also add one more hole here to take out the wasting pipe. Normally we do it from the hole that we have already done only, but you can have one more hole below. we we forgot to take out one more thing, the black part. You can see, yeah, you can see this black part. We have to remove this also. Okay, so unscrew and remove, take that part completely out. You can keep it or you can remove it, but we remove it. Now place these pipes properly. You can also have a double side adhesive tape below, and keep these pipes intact. Now we can again press the cover back, and from this side you don't have to do anything. That's it. From this part of the printer, this side part of the printer, you can add this hole, as I said, add this hole and take out the wasting pipe also. Now you can fix the cover back. You have to press, you can see this L-shaped knob. You have to press it and then you can fix it. So take this out first, press it, and press it from the back. So this is how you have to fix it. You can do it easily. Now the most important thing, we have to remove this plate also. We have, these are output rollers, so slide head, remove the screws. Okay, you can do it however you do, like it's up to you. There is a screw inside these pipes also. Remove that screw too, and simply take this part away from the printer. If you have some springs and all, you have to remove those springs, remove the spring and take it away. So this is the basic DTF. Every printer you have to remove this part. So unscrew it and remove it. Okay, now fix the track again. I call it track because this holds the pipes, the inking system. Put it here and apply a screw from both ends. That's it. That's it. Our printer is ready with all the modifications. We have fixed this track also. Just try sliding the head from left to right. Everything is fine. Now place the head to the right, to the right, extreme right on the capping, and you have to remove this exit tray. Just hold the printer like this, and there are two knobs you have to press. These are locks. You just press that lock inside, push it up, and press other knob on other side too. Okay, and just pull the output tray. It's easy. You can see it from the bottom and you can easily do it. All right, now let's fix the PEPW module that we have mounted. We'll make a hole on hole. We already have made one hole to take out the module, the power of the module, the power cable. You can keep this part of the module inside. Okay, and you can also apply a double side adhesive tape to it, and just you can add a double side adhesive tape here also. Just apply it and fix it. Soon I'll be adding one more advanced modification on this. I'll be adding a reset chip, waste pad reset counter chip also on the same board. That's not not now, but very soon I'll be adding it. Okay, add a tape and fix this module again. You can skip this part if you don't have a PPW. You can simply skip this part. Okay, we have fixed our PEPW module here. We can now fix the cover back. Before that, we have to take this power cable out and we have to fix the long FFC cable with double side tape. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we are taking out the cable from here, the power cable, and this also, it's very easy to fix, but don't like how you removed it, you have to fix it similarly. So in the opposite direction you have to press. Okay, now the printer is ready. We'll again test module functionality. If something is not mistaken, no wires are intact, all the cables are intact, we'll again switch the printer on. We are fixing this back again. So red from inside is plus 12 volt. Apply a tape. Once the connection is set, we will apply a tape. Insert the module first, and then you have to insert the power cable. Okay, I'm inserting the module power first. Switch it on, and then start printer power. Then insert the printer power cable. You can see the blue light inside. Okay. So in the new versions, we have added blue light. Okay, switch the power cable of the printer on. Okay, switch it on. Let's switch it on. The printer technically should start automatically. The head will now move to the left. If not, it will show printer as ready. Okay, head movement is done. We will press this again restart the printer to check. Now you have to do this because you have to make sure before shipping the printer is ready and you don't have any errors in it. I'll switch it on again. Okay, now technically the red light, we should not get a red light. Okay, so all right, the printer is ready. There is no red light. The printer, you can now let's try printing something. I'm using Acro. You can use other softwares. You can use CAD link. Insert the USB cable now, and we have bypassed paper width sensor to PEPW. Both sensors we have bypassed. So without having to insert the paper, we will test it on Acro. I printed through 11.2. You can use CAD link also, Digital Factory. Before that, you have to make sure you make changes in the default properties of the printer. So default, it should be A3 plus. Okay, go to default properties. First check what printer is it. I have so many printers connected, so I have to check it. Yeah, it's copy 8. So I'll go to default properties of the copy 8 and I'll change it to A3 plus and standard. The paper quality should be standard. All right. So you can check the printer from here also, and you can do it through device manager also. Okay, the printer is ready. Copy 8. I'll go to default properties of the printer and I'll make it A3 plus. If you have a module inserted, it should be A3 plus always. All right. Go to printer settings, make it A3 plus. paper quality standard. Okay, so the default settings are correct. We will initiate a print. I'll change the printer port to copy 8. It was not showing up because I have kept it open, kept the acro open. Now it will show. So select the port to copy 8 and then you can hit the print. So I'm not gonna be inserting any kind of paper inside. So we will insert paper also, we will print it without paper also. Anyways, we don't have inks inside, so that's not a big deal. All right, print. So paper sensing is a major issue of this printer, and we have bypassed PEPW, so we'll not get a paper error. You don't have to fix a tape also. So printer has taken the paper inside. There is no paper, but it will consider that yes, there is a paper. So the major issue with this printer, we have bypassed it. All right, it has taken the sheet inside and it will start printing. Yes, so no paper ejection or no paper insertion. We will try one more with with having a sheet also. So you can use fine quality sheet. You can get it at cheap cost. I'll delete the print. I'll insert the paper and I'll hit print again. Okay. So these sequence you have to manage KW, MC, YW. That's how we feel it. There is one more video on my channel how to set the sequence if you have done something else, some other sequence. If you have acro 11.2, you can change the sequence also. So from left to right, okay, from dampers left to right. So we do it at KWMCYW or WKMCYW. Now that's it. Actually, almost everything is done. We can now start printing. I'll not do it on this printer. I'll do it on other printer. I'll show you how to do the printing also. That's not required actually. You can also check other videos how to print. This printer is now ready to ship. You can just screw it back again and ship it. That's it from my end. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and always make sure that you watch a latest video, because what happens is if you are watching this video after 3 months or 4 months, I might have uploaded something new. So that's it from my end. Prabodh this side from Creative, a brand, a name you can trust. Thank you.